2047 मेरेनची 25 वर्सां म्हटल्यार भारता खातीर अमृत काळ आसतलो अशें विधान केंद्रीय अर्थ आनी कॉर्पोरेट वेवहार मंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन हांणी केलें। ह्या काळात सगळे जाण एकठांय येवन वावर करतले जेणे करून तरणाट्यांक अभिमानान दिसपा सारकें वातावरण तयार जातलें अशें तिणें ह्या वेळार म्हटलें।
If we were to talk about the week, there were several such different thinking activities, all of which were brought out in order that we recall what the 75 years were all about. I also appreciate the concluding e-book, which captures the 7 departments' work in this week. The 7 departments, each of which did something to show what had happened in 75 years, and each of them now looking at the Amrut Kaal. And the Amrut Kaal is when all of us will have to work together so that this country, when it is 100, in 2047, for our youth, for our children, creates an environment which they can be very proud of. So I think what was started by Honorable Prime Minister this week has been rich in activity, rich in content, rich also in the efforts of every